Akiaria hindi ya uruguria wa nyongo ya kuiga ciana iria ciaciarwo itakinyaniirie thiku thibitari-ini wa Ngong'u Kajiado ya Rugongo, gavana wa Kajiado Joseph Ole Lenku augite thirikari yake ni ihotorete gutigirira ni agacirithia motungata ma urigiti na njira ya kwarahura na kuhura njeki mathibitari,
to make sure that our healthcare system works and works well. We now have a good number of level 4 hospitals. Knowing when we began, these were health centers. We have now our Kajiado Referral Hospital as level 5 hospital, which is a very big stride forward. And I am proud to say that a number of neighboring counties are now seeking healthcare services from Kajiado.
Ni uteithio ukinyaniirio ni unyitaniri wa thirikari ya Kajiado na engineer Raf Warna na uria urehete uthio mweru thibitari-ini uyu. Peter akihika testimony ni muikariri giti wa bodi ya thibitari wa Ngong'u.
Thibitari no yumite from a health center. Kanyamu kari ukanini tu. Kanyamu gatahotaga nginya gutangikira andu aingi. Na riu koguo ni ikinya inene muno tukinyukithitio ni mundu uyu uteithĩtie engineer na koguo tukacokeria Ngai ngatho na njugete ona the county government ya Kajiado ni tuhete ihinda ihuthu tondu mahinda maria tukoretwo tugiaka tutigite na maundu ma gutuhinga na ona tariu thibitari kana maternity irarikire ni tuhetwo madagitari koguo ru tukamenya tukona staffing ni njega na andu aria maroka ni marahota kuheo services njega.
In this facility needed a lot of power because running their facility they had less power. Through REREC we gave them a transformer. They were supposed to be charged about 2.4 million, but it was zero fee, courtesy of your area MP.
Kuringana na Ndagitari Faith Masenge, murugamiriri wa motungata ma mihango ya urigiti thibitari-ini wa Ngong'u, augite namba ya atumia aria maraherwo ciana thibitari-ini uyu ni ambatirite na gikiro kinene kwa ihinda ria miaka iri riu.
Tumeweza kupata vifaa za kufana ambazo tunatumia kuangalia hawa wagonjwa. Pia madaktari tumepewa kutoka kwa county na nurses, na kwa sababu ya hiyo tumepunguza idadi ya watoto na wamama ambao wanaokuwa wagonjwa wanaoenda katika Kenyatta Hospital na hospitali yetu kuu ya referral. Idadi ya wagonjwa imeenda juu kutoka 250, sasa tunaona 370 kila mwezi, na miaka 2 iliyopita tumeona 5700 ya akina mama ambao wameweza kuzaa vizuri sana kutumia vifaa na pia hizi facilities.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Ngong'u Kajiado ya Rugongo, ngetwo Wacuka wa Kiarie.